the 3-camera system Blink XT Home Security has dropped to $255.99 on Amazon. Normally it sells for $320, but at this time Blink is receiving a 20% discount for Father's Day and Amazon is matching the prices. This sale includes the 2-camera system for $183.99 from a street price of $230 and the 5-camera kit for $399.99 instead of $500. The 1-camera system has dropped to $103.99 from $130. The Blink XT camera can be used indoors or outdoors because it is resistant to the weather. It is a modular system that can be expanded with up to 10 cameras as you wish. You can easily configure and control it with an iOS or Android smartphone, and you can add voice control with any Alexa-compatible device such as Echo Dot. The built-in motion sensor can send an alert to your smartphone when it is activated and record the event on the cloud. The included AA lithium batteries must be powered wirelessly for up to 2 years. Free storage in the cloud requires at least iOS 9.3 or Android 4.4. You can also use this sale with a discount of 20% for the budget version, the Blink White security system that does not work abroad and only goes up to 720p. It is not so capable, but it is also cheaper and even less expensive with this sale.